Hello friends, today we have the Creality Wi-Fi box from Creality 3D and we will be unboxing this Creality box from Creality 3D. We have the device itself here. Inside the box we have two micro USB cables and a micro USB to adapter so that we can connect it to a 3D printer. So the device itself is very small. I was hoping that it was much bigger, but it's 9 centimeters in length and 6 centimeters in the width, and we have a thickness of 2 centimeters, so it is pretty small. For the interfaces we have RJ45 jack, 2 USB ports and a 5 volt input jack. In this side we have a TF of the micro SD card slot and a reset button. In the front you have 4 LEDs. The yellow light is for Wi-Fi working status, the blue light is for the Ethernet indicator, the green light is for cloud services or the network configuration, and the red light is for TF card indicator, so that will basically blink, not blink, it will light up when there is an error with the SD card. So to connect this device to your 3D printer, you can use a 5 volt 2.4 amp power supply to power. You can plug this one into your power adapter, and using one of these two, actually these USB ports are identical, so you can use one of these USB ports and then connect it with the provided USB converter adapter to your 3D printer. Okay, now I have connected the device, so we can see that the orange LED has light up, and we can wait until it connects to the cloud or the Wi-Fi. Okay, the green LED has shown up. Let me go through my mobile. Before you starting, you have to make sure that you have inserted the TF card or SD card to the Creality Wi-Fi box. Then we will try to connect with the Creality Cloud app. You have to download the Creality Cloud app from Play Store or Apple Store. For mine it's Android and I have downloaded it from the Play Store. Now I will launch that one. And here we have to add this from the devices menu. Click on the plus mark on the top right corner, and then we have to scan the QR code which is placed under the Creality box. I think we have found the device, and now we have to name the device. So I will name the device as Creality Wi-Fi box. Done. Okay, the name is too long, so I will just type Creality W. Okay, now the device is being added, and now what we have to do is we have to configure the network connectivity settings inside the device. So we will touch on this WLAN settings. Okay, now we are asked to, okay, there are a few things that we have to verify, and then we have to click next. Okay, and there will be a hotspot created inside the device, and we have to connect to that hotspot, and this is the message asking for that one. Okay, after connecting to the Wi-Fi inside the device, it will scan all the networks around the device, and it will give the list of available Wi-Fi accesses. Basically, this is my Wi-Fi access. And in this step, we have to give the conditional to the network. So I will pass the conditionals. Okay, meanwhile the device will try to connect. So we can see still the green light is there, and we get the blinking of orange light, and now green light is also blinking. Okay, looks like we have added our device to the network. That means the Creality Cloud services. Now the green light has turned off, and now we can see that our device is there on our list, and it is also shown that the printer is not connected. So that is true, I have not connected the printer yet. And the Wi-Fi status LED is continuing blinking. And now what we have to do is we have to connect the printer to one of the USB ports, and then see that it is working fine. Okay, now I have connected the 3D printer to the Creality Wi-Fi box, and now we can see that the printer is online here by this green icon. And now what we can do is we can now set parameters on the printer. So here you can see that you can set several parameters. You can set the nozzle temperature, hotbed temperature, and you can turn on or off the cooling fans. Please note that this is only the cooling fan. You can't turn off any other fan which is directly connected to the power rails. You can set whatever the temperature values here. I will set some value. Okay, I have set 195. And we will set the hotbed value also. So we will set value around 40. Okay, now I can see that the nozzle temperature is ready, the hotbed temperature is reading, and we will also turn on the fan. Yeah, I can hear the fan is working. And this is kind of a preheating, and now we can select whatever the models that is available on the Creality Clouds. In this home menu you can see that we have several tabs, and I will select the models, and now here I will I will search for Benchy. Now it is searching. We have several models here, and I will select one. Okay, this will do for me. And here we have different buttons. I think that the second one is the slicing option, so you can click on slicing, and the model will be downloaded to the Creality box. And now we can slice. Actually, we can select different settings here. We can select whatever the device we have. We have the Ender 3 connected to the Creality Wi-Fi box, and I don't need any transformation. I don't need to rotate or increase the scale, so I will select other things. My material is being PLA, and the quality I will select normal. That will be the line width will be 0.4 millimeters and the layer height will be 0.2 millimeters. And the shell, I think I am okay with these current settings, so I can click on this slice button on the top of this app. Okay, you have to click on this whole step and then you will ask for confirmation the settings and then proceed. And now the model has been sliced already. We have to just verify the few parameters and then we can click on the print button. Okay, we'll click on the print button and then I have to choose the device. Here I only have this device, so I will select this one. Okay, now the nozzle heat, hotbed are okay, downloading okay, okay, and we will see how the print is going to work and I will show you the end results of the print. At the end of the video, here we have this model printed, and I would say there is no any difference between the SD card print method and the Creality WIFI box 3D printing method. The models are pretty same. I don't have any quality issues, seems to be pretty well. But however, I have tried to connect this device into the computer that I was working on, and that is the usual way that I am creating 3D prints. Usually I don't download models from Thingiverse or any other cloud service and then just start printing. I am also working on SolidWorks models that I create on my own, and then I use my 3D printer to 3D print all those modules. And in this way I didn't still find any way to connect my computer and the 3D printer using this Wi-Fi box. That means this doesn't work really as the Octo print that you set up on a Raspberry Pi, and I don't think that this is worth the price that you are going to buy this one. Still they don't have the access of connecting the computer or any software like Cura, or if you have anything you can just comment down below. And the other bad thing about this product is you don't have much controls from the Creality 3D app that you are using. If it will be nice if you have more things that even you don't have the major controls that you have on your 3D printer itself. So it will be nice if those features are also included in the app or they are supported through the device. And the only thing that I hoped to get from this device is to connect my computer to this device and then use my 3D printer as a fully network connected Wi-Fi 3D printer. But using this device I can't really do that. I tried using different things, but there is no any way to connect this device to a computer network or computer software. The only way you can access this device is trying to access using the Creality Cloud app. So that is it. If you have any question, any suggestion, you can always comment on the comment section. Thank you.